Not a good hunt. I was 25 miles away this morning over in Old Fort, and I got a picture of this Tom. He was on my camera up at the top. He was gobbling his head off this morning. He was there for about an hour, and I was in Old Fort 25 miles away, and I said, oh crap. I was gonna come here this morning, but I had a Tom in Old Fort. I went back there, and I didn't hear anything this morning in Old Fort, and about 7:30, quarter to 8, I started getting this picture of this Tom right here up on top of the hill, and I jumped in the truck and ran down here, and when I parked the truck, I started walking up the trail. I started clucking. I'm talking about gobblers. There was a gobbler over here, a gobbler over here, and he was up at the top, and they all started coming to me. Oh my word, that was wild right there, boy. That was a hunt right there. Oh goodness. He's a good Tom. He's got a good beard, probably about 10 inches long. Got one real good spur on this side, and then one's kind of wore off on the other. But he's pretty Tom. Got a nice fan. Pretty Tom. Man, when stuff like that works like that, I mean, you really can't even describe it when it all works like it's supposed to. Holy cow. I put a hen decoy up. I ran back to the truck and got a hen decoy and came back and put it up. And they came around this corner right here. And I mean, they put on a show right here. I'm hoping I got it on camera. Awesome hunt, awesome.